We're here on the beach in Boracay. I have the parrot with me and the kids. The kids. Hello. The kids like the bird. Hi. They like the bird. Hello. Hello. The kids like the bird, and the bird likes the kids. The bird loves the kids. The bird doesn't like the kids, the bird loves the kids. So we're here at Boracay on the beach, enjoying a sunny day. Hello! Hello! We're here enjoying the beach with the bird. We're hanging out here in Boracay. It's a beautiful day. Hi. Hello! And the kids keep following. They like the bird. They like the bird. And we're hanging out here. It's a beautiful... She's laughing too. I think the kids are touching her tail. Right? They're touching her tail. So we're here at the beach, hanging out, enjoying a summer day. A winter summer day with beautiful blue sky. Beautiful blue sky, the sun. And some swimmers here. We're at Station 3. It's like the less populated area here at the beach. So it's really nice and there's less people here. I took my shoes off over here. Maybe I lose them. Hello. So it's very beautiful here. Got lots of swimmers over here. Hello. And we're hanging out here in Boracay on the beach with pretty girl. Oh! Pretty girl. Pretty girl Beebop.